Good evening, students. As you all know, we have moved on to Wise app for conducting further online quiz contests. So, here I wanted to share a short tutorial on how to participate on Wise app. Let's get started. So, when we open the Wise app, there we have created online quiz contest 14 already. There is one option which says discussion, and after that is tests. You can see here online quiz contest 14, 16 hours left now, and time is ticking. So when we open this preview of the quiz contest which is being held tomorrow, there are so many options over there. You can just go through these, and when we hit the preview test just here and see the time is ticking there, it shows 16 hours left. The time duration is 5:39 minutes. This is for all those students who cannot participate during the daytime because of the classes, online classes going on. So we have extended it to 10 p.m. 9:59 p.m. to be precise. Okay, few more things to learn here is, like last time we held trial quiz, there were only 35 minutes, and ultimately we have given this time window, that is from 1 p.m. to 10 p.m., but ultimately the time which a participant consumed for submission of the quiz will count in case of a tie, like students getting same marks. In that case, we will be considering the time consumed by the participant to submit the quiz. Like we have this sheet of result. Ranks are, like you can see, the ranks are 1, 2, 2, 2. When this tie happens, there the time spent will come into play. Like one student has 24 marks. Three students have in fact 24 marks, but they have spent different time intervals.